Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and setup guide for your portable air conditioner. This is your brand new air conditioner. Let's make sure the box arrived safely. Any damage? Don't worry, contact customer service first. They'll make it right. Find contact info in the manual. Open the box, all parts are neatly packed. Let's meet them one by one. Here are all the accessories, make sure everything looks good. Find a flat, stable spot away. Prepare the window panel. Measure your window opening. Assemble the panels based on your window size. Align the slots, slide them together, and click. It's locked, super easy. Remember, the side with locks faces indoors. Place it in the frame, adjust, and flip the locks to secure. Next, continue assembling the exhaust hose. Insert one end of the hose into the connector and rotate to lock. Connect the other end to the adapter on the window kit. Connect to the unit. First, attach the air vent connector vertically to the exhaust outlet on the back. Connect the other end to the window kit. Remember to close the window tightly. Once it's in, give it a quick nudge up or down. This ensures the tabs are fully engaged and won't slip out. Finally, please keep the unit about 20 inches from the window and the hose at least 3 feet off the floor. After everything is ready, please keep the unit upright for at least 24 hours to stabilize the refrigerant. We hope you found this video helpful. Ready to keep your room cool? Let's go! Have any questions? Feel free to connect with us anytime.